We're going to explain the attribute error, can only use .t accessor with datetime-like values error in Python, specifically within the pandas library. This error pops up when you try to use the write single quote .dt write single quote accessor on a pandas series or data frame column that doesn't contain datetime-like objects. The write single quote .dt write single quote accessor is a powerful tool that allows you to extract various components from datetime objects, like year, month, day, hour, minute, and so on. However, if you attempt to use it on a column with strings, numbers, or other data types, you'll encounter this error. 1. Understanding datetime objects. Before diving into the error, let's clarify what datetime objects are. In Python, the datetime module provides classes to represent dates and times. Pandas builds upon this, offering its own datetime-like structures for efficient handling of temporal data within data frames. When working with dates and times in pandas, ensuring your data is in the correct format is crucial. 2. The write single quote .dt write single quote accessor. The write single quote .dt write single quote accessor is a special attribute available only for series and data frame columns that are of datetime 64 NSD type. This means the column must contain values representing dates and times in a format pandas understands. This allows you to access specific datetime attributes easily. For instance, dfdate column .ddate year will return a series containing the year for each date in the date underscore column. 3. The error scenario. The attribute error, can only use .dt accessor with datetime-like values, appears when you try to use write single quote .dt write single quote on a column that's not datetime-like. Imagine you have a column named dates that contains strings representing dates like March 15th, 2024. If you write dfdates.dt.year, even though the strings look like dates, pandas doesn't automatically recognize them as datetime objects. This will trigger the error. 4. Solving the problem. The solution is to convert the column to a datetime D type before using the write single quote .dt write single quote accessor. Pandas provides the to_datetime function for this conversion. For example, dfdates =p to datetime dfdates. After this line, dfdates.tyear will work correctly because the dates column will now hold actual datetime objects. It's crucial to inspect the data type of your columns using write single quote df.dtypes, write single quote to confirm if they are indeed datetime-like. Sometimes incorrect date formats or missing values in your data can also prevent successful conversion using to_datetime, requiring careful data cleaning and formatting before the conversion. Remember to check your data for inconsistencies that may cause issues during conversion. Specify the correct format using the format argument into _datetime if your dates aren't in a standard format. For instance, if your dates are in mm/dd/yii format, use pd.toDatetime default dates format $m/%d/%y. Correctly handling these issues prevents the error and allows you to leverage the power of the write single quote .dt write single quote accessor for date and time manipulations in